We arrived to Montreal late last night. We booked just a regular hotel off the highway where we're exhausted. We got some takeout food and pretty much called it a night. We're starting off the day with breakfast. I found this awesome spot through TripAdvisor and we're driving there right now. We're going to spend the day exploring Montreal today, and tomorrow we're going for a 2-night getaway with snowmobiles and husky sled rides. So excited. Let's be out. On Thursday morning at the breakfast restaurant, there would be a line standing in the freezing weather in cold in Montreal.
Upon entering the restaurant, you'll be greeted with this buzzing French hipster vibe with lit orbs on the wall, a giant can of soup, graffiti exposed brick wall, and mannequins throughout the restaurant, and an actual motorcycle hanging from the ceiling. Not to mention a backlit bathroom with art splattered over the walls. Their menu is pretty basic, but the portions are massive. We suggest you come hungry. For starters, you're presented with this free massive fruit skewer. We ordered goat cheese omelet with a side of potatoes. The omelet consists of 4 eggs, spinach, mushroom, and goat cheese. It's a flavor explosion, an excellent omelet, and we highly recommend it. We also ordered the French toast with Captain Morgan sauce, banana, toasted coconut shavings, and Nutella. Wow, wow, wow. Incredible. Magnifique. C'est bon. Anything with Captain Morgan's gotta be good, right? Well, this is no exception. It was fantastic. Definitely highly recommended.
And now that was the best breakfast by all the parameters. 5, 5, 5, 9, 5. After our ginormous breakfast, we came to the Old Port area to walk it off. Behind me you can see the observation wheel, but it's a little snowy today, so we're not going to be able to see much, so we decided to just walk around the Old Port. There is ice skating rink, old buildings. It looks very lovely. Let's check it out.
One of the biggest attractions here in the Old Port of Montreal is this giant Ferris wheel, which is about 60 meters tall or roughly 20 stories in height. This is Canada's biggest Ferris wheel. Each car can accommodate 8 people with a total capacity of 336 people. This ride offers a 360-degree view of Montreal and all its glory. The ride lasts about 20 minutes, and we've listed all the pricing here. After going around in circles vertically, try going in circles horizontally. How? Well, ice skating, of course, and it's located just behind this giant Ferris wheel. Now, of course, this ice skating rink does have a name, and of course, I can't pronounce it because it's obvious it's in French, but trust us, it is there. But it's only there for a limited time each year. From December 8th to March 8th, you can strap up and glide on the ice here. We didn't stay long. It was windy and very cold. I tried flying the drone and my fingers literally was freezing on the controller. So we decided to head a few blocks over into Old Montreal to do some more exploring.
just left the Old Port area and walking down Rue St. Paul Street. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it correctly. There are a lot of shops, restaurants, and it's just a block away from the port, both parallel to the port. And all you can smell is food.
We loved it here. It's a feeling as if you're traveling back to the 17th century with old, charming shops and cafes, narrow cobblestone streets, statues, and many churches.
Walking around Old Montreal, we checked into our hotel, dropped off our luggage, and we went right out. And now we are in the underground walkway with over 2,000 shops, hundreds of restaurants, and I'm looking for new winter boots because the boots I got currently do not work. They get wet and the soles beginning to come off. So, shopping! It's almost like a small town in here. There are different ways, different paths you can take, and tons of shops, and you can hop on the train. Subway is right here, and you can get off another stop and go through another street of shops. It's awesome.
After walking that mall for hours, we were exhausted, so we headed back to our hotel for some shut-eye because we had a 2.5-hour drive to Lac Trou Lounge the next morning. So be sure to follow our adventures and subscribe to our channel. It does go a long way and it helps us grow the content that we are creating for you. And be sure to hit that bell notification. This way you will be first to notified as soon as our video is dropped. So see you in the next video where we continue to explore Canada.